In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of using a cross trainer, also known as an elliptical trainer. In today's world, where a sedentary lifestyle has become a major health issue, any form of physical activity is a great start. However, the cross trainer offers several unique advantages that make it one of the most effective and safest cardio machines available. Let's take a detailed look at how an elliptical trainer can benefit your body and overall health. **1. Burns calories and supports weight loss. One of the biggest benefits of using a cross trainer is calorie burning. Depending on the intensity, you can burn around 200 calories in just 30 minutes at a moderate pace, and up to 400 calories at higher intensity. Unlike crash dieting, which often leads to muscle or water loss, elliptical training helps burn actual body fat. With consistent use, you can see noticeable fat loss within a few weeks, even without drastic changes to your diet. **2. Joint-friendly and low-impact. The elliptical trainer is much easier on your joints compared to running or treadmill workouts. Your feet remain in constant contact with the pedals, reducing stress on your knees, ankles, and hips. This makes it an excellent choice for people with joint pain, previous injuries, or back problems. It's also a smart option for beginners or anyone recovering from injury. **3. Customizable workouts. Most cross trainers allow you to adjust resistance and speed, making workouts suitable for all fitness levels. You can simulate brisk walking, climbing stairs, or high-intensity cardio simply by changing the settings. Many machines also include preset programs, helping you stay motivated and avoid workout boredom. **4. Low risk of injury. Elliptical trainers are very easy to use and don't require complex techniques. Because there are no heavy weights or fast-moving belts, the risk of injury is extremely low. This makes the cross trainer ideal for both home workouts and gym use. **5. Muscle toning and strength. Using higher resistance engages your leg muscles, glutes, arms, and core, helping tone and strengthen them over time. It's also a great option for active recovery, days when you want to stay moving without overloading your muscles. **6. Convenience and consistency. Having a cross trainer at home makes it easier to stay consistent with your workouts. You don't have to worry about weather conditions or gym schedules. You can even work out while watching TV, making fitness easier to stick with long term. **7. Full body workout. Unlike many cardio machines, the elliptical engages both the upper and lower body. This results in higher calorie burn and better overall conditioning, helping improve your body's shape faster. **8. Improves heart and lung health. Elliptical training strengthens your heart, improves cardiovascular endurance, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. It also boosts lung capacity, helping you breathe better, sleep better, and feel more energized throughout the day. **9. Reduces diabetes risk and stress. Regular use helps regulate blood sugar levels, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. At the same time, exercise releases endorphins and serotonin, reducing stress and improving mood. *10. Supports a longer, healthier life. By keeping you active, improving metabolism, and supporting brain health, the cross trainer contributes to better quality of life and long-term wellness. In short, the cross trainer is a safe, effective, and versatile fitness machine. Use it for 30 to 60 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll start seeing real results in both your body and your health.